Tigo Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Tigo's plans and offers are in the description. Tigo is a well-known telecom provider operating in multiple countries across Latin America and Africa. It offers prepaid and postpaid plans, mobile data, and digital services tailored for both individual users and businesses. The network coverage is solid in urban areas, but rural connectivity may vary depending on the country. Tigo's 4G and LTE speeds are competitive, making it suitable for streaming, browsing, and social media. In some regions, Tigo has started rolling out 5G, enhancing data speeds and reliability. The operator provides various mobile bundles, including unlimited social media and affordable international call packages. Customer service quality depends on location. Some users report quick issue resolution, while others face delays. Tigo Money, the operator's mobile payment service, is a key feature, allowing users to send money, pay bills, and top up airtime seamlessly. Pricing is competitive, often undercutting major rivals, making it a budget-friendly option. Tigo is best for users looking for affordable, flexible plans with good coverage in cities. However, if you need consistent service in remote areas, consider checking coverage maps before switching. Overall, Tigo delivers solid performance, great pricing, and useful digital services, but regional differences in network quality and customer support should be considered. If Tigo fits your needs, check the links in the description for more details.